This is the Cross family.
Hey guys, this is the Cross family. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is.
Look at all this snow from yesterday.
It snowed last night, guys.
It's so.
And me and my daughter are out here
Oh, look.
enjoying the
Oh
snow.
my God.
This is the first time. Well, last night was the first time that she saw snow, but now
This is the second time.
now it's the
Whoa.
second. Whoa!
It's sinking me in.
See,
Okay. And
let's walk this way. Look.
Here
Look.
People made snowman.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, guys.
On the car. Mommy, look.
Cross family. Oh, look. This is our journey we're taking right now.
It's funny. Oh,
See,
that's
look.
cool.
Check this out. Ice.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's ice. Oh, look at the snowman.
Look at the snowman.
That's pretty cool. Come on. Ooh, the ice, man. Look at this ice.
Wait, I need a snowball.
Make a snowball. Okay. You threw it at me. Okay. I see how it is. But I'm gonna let you.
I can throw that.
Come on, let's go. All right, guys. Well, we just wanted to drop a video and let you guys know that we love you. Don't kick it over. Leave it there.
It's big.
Come on. All right. So.
Wait, there's a snowball.
I'm gonna make another one for the video. Okay, all right. What do you say to our fans? Bye, guys. Love you. Next time.